Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your PHP version on cpanel. Okay, as you can see right now I'm logged on my cpanel. Okay, so all you're gonna have to do from here is to scroll down, find software, and from here you select PHP version. As you can see here, current PHP version, it's showing that the current is 7.4. So you can select from here 7.4, scroll down. As you can see, it's showing 7.4. So I'm gonna select 8. Okay. When you're done, you set as current. As you can see, it's done. Let's double check. Select PHP. As you can see, it has been updated. So this is how you do to update your PHP version on your cpanel. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Ciao.